Is India under recession? Now RBI has predicted that Indian economy will contract by 8.6% in the second quarter of the current financial year. This contraction is considerably slower than 23.9% decline in the real gross domestic product during the first quarter. Well, it implies a technical recession. So two successive quarters, if there is decline in the GDP growth rate, this indicates that there is a recession. Now, there is also a term called recessionary phase. Now, what is recessionary phase? Now, when the overall output of the goods and services increases from one quarter to another, the economy is in expansionary phase. When the GDP contracts from one quarter to the another, it comes in a recessionary phase. Simple. So these two phases create a business cycle, right? So any 2 quarters, if it is growth, that means the economy is expanding. Any 2 quarters, if there is excessive downgrade, that means the economy is coming under recession. But how is actual recession different? Well, when a recessionary phase sustains for long enough, it is called recession. So technically we are in recession, but if this phase continues for one more quarter, then we will probably enter into real recession. According to National Bureau of Economic Research, during a recession, a significant decline in economic activity spreads across the economy, and it can last from few months to more than a year. National Bureau of Economic Research Business Cycle Committee looks at various parameters such as employment, consumption, apart from GDP, to come to a decision. Now, people say that this is a technical recession because we still have to see if the decline in GDP numbers continue. Well, significant contraction in economic activity is evident. There is no clarity on matters other than from the empirical data. Then we can call it a technical recession. During 2008 global financial crisis, the same was assessed in 2009, and June 2009 as the end of the recession, but many of the other parameters were not able to recover as fast as possible. So to get around the numerical technicalities, a recession is considered to be in progress when real GDP has declined for at least 2 consecutive quarters. Now the next question that would come to your mind is, when do recessions end? Well, typically recessions last for few quarters. If they continue for years, they are referred to as depression. But depressions are very rare, with last one which was in 1930s. In the current scenario, the key determinant for any economy to come out recession is based on the COVID-19 pandemic, how well the country formulates its policies to fight this menace of COVID.